Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the one and only Nervos network, CKB. So let's take a quick look at the markets. It looks like it's kind of a mixed bag. We've got CKB on the daily down 3.5%. However, on the monthly, we are up 66.7%. So I thought we would just kick things off on the monthly chart because we really don't cover the monthly chart on CKB, really. Simply because the chart's only been around since November 2019. But what we have here is a year-long retracement. These are 12 candles to the downside, and we've seen this retracement happen alongside every other cryptocurrency out there. Every chart looks like this the last 12 months, pretty much. Now, when we are analyzing higher time frame charts like the monthly, it's always good to see these spinning tops and things like that happen. This is a spinning top right here. And this is a good indication that there is a pivot point in the markets. You can see a spinning top here, some spinning tops here. And now we are also seeing some bullish engulfing. And that means basically the body of this candle here is engulfing the body of this candle here. So that is good to see. Now let's really kind of scoot over to maybe the weekly, then we'll look at the daily, and then maybe we'll look at like the 4-hour chart. So right now, you know, the last few weeks, the last month or two, I've been kind of speculating how we need CKB to come up and hit this 50 moving average, and it really has. And now we are kind of in this position on the weekly chart where I'm hoping we can see CKB really make this effort through this Ichimoku cloud here. It's a nice thinner portion of the Ichimoku cloud. So let's just look at this on the daily. And on the daily chart, I've been kind of talking about, you know, how I think that we will see price action maybe come over and collide with this 50 moving average. Right now, we are seeing some sideways trading. You know, we've been kind of thinking that we'd see this symmetrical triangle form or maybe some sort of flag form. But I do think that the magic might start to happen once we get a little bit closer to this purple 50 moving average line. The good thing that we're seeing here on CKB, folks, price action has been above the Ichimoku cloud, and it has closed above the Ichimoku cloud since January 23rd. So this is wonderful news to see. Whenever price action gets above the Ichimoku cloud, it's usually really nice and bullish. And stick around for the end of this video because I'm going to show you my prediction on Bitcoin and why I think that the markets have turned bullish. None of this is financial or trading advice. So you guys can see, whenever we get these candles above this Ichimoku cloud, you know, we get some nice positive bullish momentum. Consequently, when the candles fall below the cloud, things turn bearish, right? So that is a good thing for CKB right now. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, and we'll just kind of see where this is at. So, I mean, this thing is kind of tangling with the 50 moving average. We've got this 200 moving average kind of coming up. So I do think that we'll see maybe these 2 points collide, you know, maybe somewhere around February 8th to February 10th. We could possibly see some more increased volatility. Let's throw up a little time sequence and see if we can just take a stab at things. So I am kind of liking this right now. We've got a reversal point here, increased volatility here. So be on the lookout for February 3rd, 6 p.m. Central Time tonight for maybe a little tiny increased volatility. We might see price move around 6 p.m. Central Time. And then Friday, February 10th, 6 a.m. Central Time, 4 hours on each side of those predictions. So it is what it is. Now let's just move on over to Bitcoin because I threw down a tweet on this the other day, yesterday, And really, it was within the RSI. So we're going to go back to the monthly chart. And I just wanted to point this out. Whenever, folks, whenever we have the RSI, which is this purple line here, cross the RSI moving average, which is the yellow line, we have historically seen, and this is not financial trading advice, anything can happen. These are just opinions and ideas. But we'll throw down a little trend line here. We'll throw down a little trend line here. And we'll throw down a trend line where we currently are at. Whenever we've seen the RSI bull cross this, or golden cross, this RSI moving average, you can see that new bull markets were born. Here's 2014, 2015. Here is 2019. We had the 2017, 2018 new all-time highs. The bear market hit, and we saw this golden cross occur. The new bull market was born. We had the little coronavirus wink right in there. But here we are again. You know, we got the RSI getting ready to golden cross the RSI moving average. So that's very interesting for Bitcoin as well. We won't do any more technical analysis. If you guys are interested in checking out some more of my videos, I'll leave them at the end screens here. Thanks for watching. I love you all. We'll get some more videos rolling this weekend.